Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm doing bunch of service on this 2010 Toyota RAV4. This one is 4-wheel drive and it has approximately 170,000 miles, and let's go look together. I prepared everything for you, the light I cleaned up. Let's look together on the transfer case oil change. So it was all wrapped in the dirt and sand and the oil from the engine. I believe this Toyota has a problem with the rear main, so that maybe will be, addressed in the future. I don't know, but it's leaking engine oil from right here, so it's probably rear main. But let's go back to this transfer case, right? So drain plug, right, and the filler plug slash the level, right? So I will be loosening first. As a wise man, right, wise people in the comments says, never just drain it first. You have to make sure you are able to open that filler first, right? It's a hex stand. I don't think I ever filmed this for you on this particular RAV4. Heavy rains coming. Get some hat or umbrella. Oh yeah, this nicely gave up and I'm able carefully open it. Wow, that rain is heavy. Can you hear it? So I cleaned all that. As I said, a lot of sand. I think the owner goes on the beach somewhere with it. Oh yeah, look at it. So nothing is coming out, not even tiny bit. So we even don't know if the level is good. I can use my pinky, right? But it's not. Oh yeah, I was able to touch the fluid. So it's barely under that opening. Here you can see the plug with that washer, which normally should be replaced, right? So now I'm able to crack that open and start draining that oil. And I'm probably constantly getting in your way, but there's no space here. I have nowhere else to place that camcorder, so you will be able see to cracking it open. You wonder why it's so noisy here? Well, look at that rain. That's amazing, isn't it? Back to our work, Peter. Don't get distracted. So the same, right? The plug with the washer, and let's see what will come out of there. Oh yeah, definitely darker. There will be very small amount. I will say half quart. I didn't find it in the owner's manual. The rear diff is also very small and it takes only half quart. What's about the plug? This one, can you see it? This one has a magnet and there is a bunch of shavings on it, so I will need to clean that. Yeah, this is really good that we are doing it for this owner. It's definitely a bunch of super fine shavings, and this is unusual for Northern California on the May 13 to have such a heavy rains. Look at it, how this downspout is shooting this water. This is really heavy. Look at that. That's crazy. Well, I guess the weather is changing. I didn't catch that oil, right, that gear oil, so I don't know the amount of it, but it's a small amount. But I can show you the sticker which stay there, right? Here you go. Transfer oil 85 W90. It's a GLP, right? So that's what needs to go inside. I have actually meter on my pump out there. It's in pints, but we will figure out when the level will be full and it will start overflowing. But I will let it drain for a little bit more. Here is the detail of both plugs. So we said that filler / level has no magnet, right? It's this one. The bottom one has a magnet, and you can see it after I almost finished cleaning it. Equipped with the new crusher washer, I will beginning installation of the drain plug, right? And that one was really tight, so to prevent any leakage or the plug falling off, that needs to be torqued really snug, right? I don't have the number of the torque for this, sorry, but that's perfect for me, and now I will be able to clean more around the place right here, and I will start pumping in new gear oil. And this one, if you want to do it at home, you will really need a pump, because the plug, excuse me, the opening, it's really high inside and there's a lot of stuff in the way. I'm even worried about my own tool. Oh, I got lucky, it fitted there. So hopefully you can see it, right? It's that ending I will be using. Let's put it in the zeros. My meter right here. It's supposed to be this way. And 1 pint is half quart. So let's see how much it will take until it will start overflowing. So it's already nicely coming in. I will watch. Right here my meter. Of course I don't want to be blocking, right, this opening with this tool, so I have to recheck. But right now we should be, how are we doing? Is it already coming out? That might be just because there's so little space. I didn't put yet even half quart. And that's definitely it. And it's showing 1 pint, yeah? So the volume of this is half quart as I was expecting. And look how that gear oil is beautiful and clean right now. It will be another happy RAV4 on the road. And that overflow really slowed down to the basically trickle. That means the level is right there where it's supposed to be, right? So it's a little bit higher than when it came. It was very slightly low. So we also fixed the level. This is fantastic. I love it. Most importantly, you saw the difference in the color of that gear oil, right? It was really old, and that was definitely time to change that. This plug wasn't so much torque like the bottom one, so be careful with it. And that crusher washer should actually help to seal it, and there will be no leakage whatsoever. And that basically ends the service on this transfer case on 2010 RAV4 4-wheel drive. And that's all from me for this car, for this video, right? I still need to do the rear diff, but I'm kind of running out of the time, so maybe, just maybe, if you cross fingers, I will be able to film that for you too. But anyway, make always sure you are subscribed, you don't miss any of these Toyota videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.